The whole world is making noise in my video. Hi, luretdakum here. If you're new, hi, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the gang. Welcome to welcome to greatness. Okay, and welcome to quality content. Okay, and nice content. Okay, and wholesome content. Okay. What's this intro? Anyways, hi, welcome to a new vlog. I just started a vlog today. A weekend in my life. Today is Saturday, so technically the weekend should have started yesterday, but nothing much happened yesterday. There's actually a lot that happened yesterday, but I didn't vlog it. And today we're supposed to go and have breakfast. She new watch. I watched my last video to see the unboxing of the new watch. Anyways, so my sister is not here yet, and I'm waiting for her. I got some new skincare. And I was meant to do an unboxing video for them. That's the video that's supposed to go up before this one. But as you can hear, there's so much noise. Like, there's so much. I'm just thinking of how I want to do it. There's so much noise in my background. And I don't want to embarrass you on my YouTube.
Caught in someone's orbit, turning upside down. Gravity is spinning me the whole way.
Very cute crop top, and my sister says it's giving Winnie the Pooh. What is this? When I was feeling cute, I was feeling like a princess. It's cute. But it's giving Winnie the Pooh.
I could use some deeper roots and solid ground. Moving forward, back and forth, just get me out. I am not afraid of what's inside of me, only scared of what is just beyond my reach. And I've got a feeling that that's you, baby. Seasons change and rearrange our chemistry. So far, so close. We pull and we push. Don't let me go.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we like.
And now I'm about to make my video that's going to go up before this one. I'm unboxing my skincare. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming, always liking my videos, watching, commenting. It really does mean a lot to me. I don't think there's anybody that jam packs like 1 million activities in their day like me. So I knew that I had Renet's birthday today. I still went for breakfast with my sister. I'm still not going to my friend's house, and then I'll now still go. I now even also just did content. So I was really rushing, and I think I didn't even do it well. I hope this vlog is moving well, Sha, and I really hope that it's going okay. I'm headed out now, so I look like a pretty angel. I just finished lunch at my friend's house. No, I didn't vlog that. Anyways, so I just decided to do a very no makeup, basically just foundation, and I don't even know what I did on my face, but I did something and I think I kind of like it. So I'm headed to Renet's birthday right now, and I'll definitely vlog a bit when I get there. Hopefully it's not so dark and I'm a bit late, but guess what, I just have to come and update you. I'm enjoying looking at my face, so I'm just going to keep talking. Anyways, bye. Guess who is late? Me, obviously. But I just arrived here, so I like this. I like the sun. I like how the sun is bouncing on my skin. Anyway, so guys, I'm late, but then see you inside.
We speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like Do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't no one with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking all out of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me.
Because you be my G for life.
You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me telling me what I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed you. You said you never told me no. And I believed you when they told me don't. But either way, you're still invited and I can't even lie to you. Swear these days, all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Oh, don't ever come to me.
See Cascade.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why?
Hi. Happy Sunday. So yeah, happy Sunday. Hope you went to church. I mean, I just got back from church. Do you know that I told myself that, oh, like today I'm going to feel myself getting ready to go to church, so my feet, flog a bit in church. Guess you didn't do any. Me, you guys, I'm always late. I almost didn't make it to church today. Like, even though for, let me close this door. Yeah. So like I almost didn't make it for church today, you know, for my friend, you know, for planner. Like I was like, babe, I don't think I can make it to church. She's like, you're not even serious. That's how I got up, but I'm glad I did. I mean, I had such a nice time. Guys, I'm wearing my favorite shirt. And yeah, let me show you. If you don't watch that vlog, go and watch it. Ariela's birthday was so nice. Ariela's my niece. Anyway, so yesterday was so beautiful. Yesterday was awesome. It was Ritnan's birthday, my friend. I'm sure you must have already seen some parts of that. But I was sad though. I was very, very sad because like I look forward to being a plant mom. Like I look forward to being a mom. So let me take you through. We're supposed to do like a paint and sip, but instead of painting, we're going to be painting like flower pots, like house plants, obviously. And I was so excited because I used to have a baby. I named her Zoe. She was actually a gift from, wait, let me show you guys. This is Zoe. Zoe is dead and gone. Nothing left inside Zoe again. Anyways, yeah, so I used to have this plant. It's such a cute gift. Someone gifted it to me and it's so special to me because like I love, by now if you don't know that my best color is purple and that I love butterflies and that my second name is the purple butterfly, I don't know what you're doing because it's too obvious. Like it's too obvious. So yeah, like I got this. See me wearing purple and butterfly. This plant, right? And then this plant, I named her Zoe, and Zoe means life. And honestly, I was a bad mom to her. Like I was a really, really bad mom to her, and she died. See, yeah, she died. So I was like really looking forward to going and getting a new baby, just like be a new mom and see how I would be better like as a new plant mom. Because Riti had to cancel. She had to cancel like last minute due to unforeseen circumstances. Meaning, I know you're watching this vlog and giving me side eye. But like, yeah, so she had to cancel and then we went for dinner instead. But it was so nice. I had a very good time. It's just that I really wanted to be a mom. Anyways, bye Zoe. I'm trying to pack. Yeah, I'm trying to pack because I'll be going to my best friend's house just for today. Today's Sunday, today's Father's Day, and I don't know, she just wants to cook lunch, cook something nice for her dad, and she's like, oh, I should come over to eat, and then I'll just sleep over there and go to work from her house. So So yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Oh my god, I didn't even mention I made a video, right? Like it's video is supposed to go up today. Today is Sunday. You know, I had edited it, I had done everything, and last minute I just wasn't feeling it. I'm like, do you know what? I'd rather not even put out any content to be consistent than for me to put out content and I'm second guessing it. Like my sister has been telling me to post it still, but then I didn't even know. Like there are just days like that. It's like the content. It was an unboxing of my skincare, and it was just so giving. Like I don't know. It was just the way it was. So I'm not even posting it again. But anyways, yeah, I was just coming to check in, say hi, and obviously see you in the main part of this video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Give me a big fat thumbs up so more people can see this video. Leave a comment. Leave a butterfly, leave a purple heart, leave anything you want to leave so I know that you watched my video. And I'm like, oh, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, so
you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you have to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just